Just at the kangaroo flat turn off, loaded up ready for the Bendemeer chainsaw get together. Got everything from solo twins to super X's to two-man chainsaws. Got a 3120, 661, 395, 0084, bag, swag and esky, all the essentials. So I'll get a few more videos of all these machines running over the weekend, and yeah, should be good. Just arrived. Steve's cooking a stew. You gonna be famous?
I don't think so. Ain't nothing famous about me.
Saturday morning at the get together. See amenities there. We got a real good shower of rain last night, but it's starting to clear up out that way, as you can see. So it should be pretty right soon. But didn't really matter about the rain. The place really needs it. But got a container there and a big lean-to, so we're all camping dry and all the chainsaws are dry. But yeah, we'll cook a feed in a minute. We'll hook in and fire a few saws up. for the get together, we were fortunate enough to have two brand new Husqvarnas loaned to us to get our opinions on, just see what we think. So we got a little 550 XP and a 572 XP. Now Glenn Trapp got these loaned to us by Aaron's Quality Outdoor Power Centre down at Lithgow. They were good enough to loan these to us for the weekend to get our opinions, and if we liked them we could order one. And these are brilliant little saws, very impressed with them. So if you guys want a good saw and some good service, I'd go and see these guys, because obviously, you know, good enough to loan us a saw for the weekend, so they'd be very good to deal with. And I'm very impressed with them. I've used both these. The company I work for actually has a 572, and just a brilliant little saw, light, cut well. Just saws have come a long way. And yeah, so that was one of the perks that we got to have at the get together this weekend, so we're very fortunate. Yeah.
Change your eyes, or one a cave.